Today we're going to take a tour of the Hadley Model at the beautiful new community Hawthorne Estates in Medford, New Jersey.
Matthew Haviland here with Keller Realty, South Jersey real estate expert, and I am here in DR Horton's Hadley Model, and I'm going to give you a tour of the Hadley Model. If you're looking for a new home, new construction, join me here for the tour. All right, so the Hadley Model right here, we have the front door. I like that window in the door too. Have your living room here in the front. Beautiful kitchen right here. Huge center island. You have your eat-in kitchen area right here with the slider. And let me back out and give you a really good, nice view of this kitchen. This one has the dark cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, luxury vinyl plank flooring. Refrigerator would go right there. And you do have a really nice sized pantry here too. Always a great feature to have the big pantry. I like to see it when the builders have this. Most houses unfortunately don't have that feature, so really nice. And then here is your living area. Family room, if you want to use that front room as the living room, this could be the family room. Let's check out the rest of the first floor here. So on the first floor, we do have a bedroom here. So this is a smaller bedroom, but it is a nice size bedroom here. And the full bathroom on the first floor also. Really nice feature to offer this. Full bathroom on the first floor. So if you do have guests, you want them to be on the first floor, or maybe you have a family member that needs to be on the first floor, it's a really nice feature to have that. This is the garage door here. I'm gonna take a peek in the garage. Here is the two-car garage, really high ceiling heights here. You have a coat closet when you come in the garage. That's the steps to the basement. We'll take a look at the basement in a minute. Let's go upstairs and check out upstairs. Really wide steps, I like these steps. So coming up the steps, first thing we see here is this huge loft area. Really great space right here, overlooking the front of the house. Just off the loft area, you have a large closet there, and you do have your laundry room right here on the second floor. And it's a nice size space here, tile floor as well, laundry room. You also have a linen closet right here off the front of the steps. And there's two bedrooms towards the back of the house. There's a look at the first bedroom, and a nice size little walk-in closet there. We have full bathroom here with the separate toilet and tub shower combination. Really nice look. And then we have one more bedroom back here. This one also has a walk-in closet. And then right here we have the owner's suite. A lot of natural light here with these large windows. And then we'll take a look at the bath. So coming into the bath, we have a very large full-size shower here. Easy step-in height there. Tile floor with the dual vanity. Really nice look. And this does also have a soaking tub with a really nice sized window right here. And then right through the bathroom we have the walk-in closet. Lots of cabinet space and shelving. And one more stop here, which would be the toilet and a private room as well. Okay, one more stop to the basement, and I invite you to join me. Okay, so this one does have the finished basement. We'll go down and take a look. Really nice space here, all finished. And you also do have some unfinished space. This is unfinished. There is a window here, so you could have easily finish this into another living area if you wanted to. do have some space over here. Another unfinished area which also has the utilities.
So thanks for watching this video, new home tour from DR Horton. And if you'd like more information on this home, please check the link in the video description. I'm going to have all the details for you right there. And if you're thinking about buying a new home and want some information, I have a free report. It's called 5 Myths About Buying a New Construction Home. Definitely want to download that report. It's free and the link will be included in the video description. If you need help buying or selling a home, be glad to help. And again, my name is Matthew Haviland with Keller Williams Realty.